morning, students. Today we are going to start our discussion on typical problems from the book R.D Sharma Mathematics for IIT-JEE. So initially I am taking the solved example section. In the solved example section I am going to select the typical problems which will be very helpful for us, and I am going to solve in one by one in each class. So per class my target is to solve 10 questions. Today let us take the first 10 questions, which are very good questions. Please see the complete video. You'll understand the content available in each question. Our target is to not that solving one question, put it aside. That's not our target. Our target should be, if you are solving one question, that solution or that solving method should make you capable of solving another 10 questions. This should be our solving methodology. Okay, let's go into our class and let me hide myself. The first question, evaluate 1 by root 27 power 2 minus log 13 base 5 divided by 2 log 9 base 5 close bracket and everything power half. So students, let's discuss how to solve this problem. Subject is very interesting, only thing is we need to know how to apply it at every point. Let's see. So here 1 by root 27 is there and everything. I think this is the power available, 2 minus log 13 base 5 divided by 2 log n base 5. Let's first solve this. Log 13 base 5 divided by 2 log 9 base 5. Yeah, so now this 2 we can take it as a power for the 9, then it's going to become log 13 base 5 divided by log 81 base 5. So that is going to become log 13 base 81. Fine, I think till now it is very much clear for us. So students, now here log 13 base 81, let's write that over here. 1 by root 27 power 2 minus log 13 base 81 whole power half. Now we can write this as 1 by root 27 into 2 minus, this 81 can be written as 3 power 4. So I can write it as 1 by 4 log 13 base 3 whole power half. So now let me go to the next page. So our equation is 1 by root 27 power 2 minus 1 by 4 log 13 base 3 whole power half. So let's try to distribute that half for the each and every term inside. Then it is going to become 1 by root 27 power 1 minus 1 by 8 into log 13 base 3. So this 1 can be, okay, first 1 by root 27 we can write it as 3 cube power half, 3 power 3 by 2. So if I take it to numerator, it is going to become 3 power minus 3 by 2. Power 1 can be written as log 3 base 3 minus 1 by 8 log 13 base 3. So now it is going to become 3 power minus 3 by 2 into log 3 base 3 minus log 13 power 1 by 8 base 3. So 13 power 1 by 8. Now it is going to become 3 power minus 3 by 2 into log 3 divided by 13 power 1 by 8 base 3. Now this base 3 will get cancelled. Directly we can write the answer as minus 3 by 2 into 3 by 13 power 1 by 8. So any doubt till here? No. So now this can be written as, I'm sorry, there is a small mistake over here. This minus 3 by 2 should go as a power for that. So 3 by 13 power 1 by 8 whole power minus 3 by 2. So if I apply minus, it is going to become 13 power 1 by 8 by 3 whole power 3 by 2. So let's distribute it completely. It is going to become 3 power minus 3 by 2 into 13 power 3 by 16. So we cannot simplify this at all more. This is the final answer for the question. Is that clear? Students, let's go to the second question. That is, if x, y, z greater than 0 and x not equal to 1, y not equal to 1, z not equal to 1, such that log x divided by y minus z is equal to log y divided by z minus x, that is equal to log z divided by x minus y. If at all this happens, then what we need to prove that x power x into y power y into z power z is equal to 1. This is what we need to prove. Okay, let us try to do this solution normal, like any other question. If at all like this, 3 equal to symbols are given. Okay, let us solve this. Now let's take log x by y minus z is equal to log y by z minus x is equal to log z by x minus y is equal to some variable lambda. Now if you see carefully, log x will be equal to lambda y minus lambda z. Similarly, log y will be equal to lambda z minus lambda x. Similarly, log z will be equal to lambda x minus lambda y. Okay, since no base is given for us, let's take the base to be e. Generally we can take any base, and commonly we can take base e. Therefore x will become e power lambda y minus lambda z, y will become e power lambda z minus lambda x, z will become e power lambda x minus lambda y. So now x power x is going to become e power lambda xy minus lambda xz, and y power y is going to become e power lambda yz minus lambda xy. Similarly, z power z is going to become e power lambda xz minus lambda yz. Okay, so now we need to add all these terms. Not exactly adding, multiplication. X power x into y power y into z power z. That will be equal to e power lambda xy minus lambda xz into e power lambda, I think x into y minus z, y into z minus x, I think, yeah, yz minus lambda xy into e power lambda zx minus lambda yz. This is what we have written in the previous slide. So if you add all this, lambda xy minus lambda xz plus lambda yz minus lambda xy plus lambda zx minus lambda yz. If you see carefully, lambda xy is going to cancel with lambda xy, lambda xz is going to cancel with lambda zx, lambda yz is going to cancel with lambda yz. So the power is going to be e power, that is 0. So e power 0 will be equal to 1. Hence proved. These are some of the very good model questions actually. So let's go to the next question. Let me write the question in different ink actually. If log x by b minus c is equal to log y by c minus a, that is equal to log z by a minus b. Now he is asking, prove that x power b plus c minus a into y power c plus a minus b into z power a plus b minus c is equal to 1. So this question also goes in the same model, that if at all there is double equality, we take it equal to some constant. We can go ahead with that method. Solution. So let log x base b minus c is equal to log y base c minus a, that is equal to log z base a minus b, that is equal to some lambda. Then x is equal to lambda b minus lambda c. Y is equal to, I think it's not exactly, not lambda b minus lambda c. So x is equal to b minus c power lambda. Will that be helpful for us if you write it like that? I don't think so it will be helpful for us, because okay, there is a mistake in the whole thing which I have written here. It is log x divided by b minus c, log y divided by c minus a, log z divided by a minus b. Then log x is going to become lambda b minus lambda c, log y is going to become lambda c minus lambda a, log z is going to become lambda a minus lambda b. So from here x is equal to e power lambda b minus lambda c, y is equal to e power lambda c minus lambda a, z is equal to e power lambda a minus lambda b. But now we want x power b plus c minus a. Let's see what's going to happen. So we want x power b plus c minus a. But what is x? Just before only we got it. X is equal to e power lambda b minus lambda c. E power lambda b minus lambda c power b plus c minus c. If you multiply it, I think we are going to get it lambda into b square minus c square minus lambda into ab minus ac. I think yes, this is what we are going to get it. Now second one, what we need is y power c plus a minus b. Y power c plus a minus b. So we can write it as e power lambda c minus lambda a power c plus a minus b, that is equal to e power lambda into c square minus a square minus lambda into bc minus ab. Similarly, third one we want z power a plus b minus c, that is e power lambda a minus lambda b power a plus b minus c. So we are going to get it as e power lambda into a square minus b square minus lambda into ac minus bc. So we want the multiplication of everything. So if you multiply everything, all the powers are going to get added. So we are going to get, I think the symbol for the multiplication is pi. Pi into x power b plus c minus a, it's going to become e power lambda into, if you add b square minus c square minus a square minus b square, everything is going to become 0, minus lambda into AB minus AC, BC minus AB, AC minus BC. If you add everything, it is also going to become 0. So finally you're going to get e power 0, that is equal to 1, hence proved. So sorry, this is what they are asking for, to prove us that is equal to 1. I think this is pretty much clear. Let's go to the third problem for today. I think 10 problems is not possible right now in our today's class. We'll be discussing the first 5 problems. So third problem, note down. Let me change the ink actually so that to differentiate between the question and the answer. Question, that is third question. If A comma B comma C and N are positive real numbers, other than unity, unity means 1, prove that log n base A, log n base B, log n base B into log n base C plus log n base C into log n base A is equal to log n base A into log n base B into log n base C divided by log n base ABC. Question is very big. Sorry, question is very big, not bigger. We cannot use comparative degree over here. Okay, so now if ABC and N are positive real numbers other than unity, then what we need to prove? Prove that log n base A into log n base B plus log n base B into log n base C plus log n base C into log n base A is equal to log n base A into log n base B into log n base C divided by log n base ABC. So how we will get this? Okay, very simple thing only. If you see carefully, this term is same as I think this term, right? Do one thing. Now we have log n base A. We can write it as 1 by log A base n into log B base n. Similarly, 1 by log B base n into log C base n. Similarly, 1 by log C base n into log A base n. Now, what we need to do with this? Let's take the LCM. The LCM is going to become log A base n into log B base n into log C base n. In the numerator, you will be getting log C base n plus log B base n plus log A base n. So numerator is going to become log ABC base n divided by, similar, it remains same actually, nothing is going to change, log A base n into log B base n into log C base n. Now students, if we observe what is given in the question, see in question this log n base ABC is in the denominator and log n base A means your RHS has to be this expression. So fine, now let's go ahead. So here this expression, if at all I write everything again back, that is log n, okay, this log A base n I am going to take to top, it is going to become log n base A into log B base n, if I take it to top it will become log n base B, log C base n, if I take it to top it will become log n base C divided by log ABC base n, I will bring it to denominator, then it is going to become log n base ABC. I think this is what we need to prove. We have taken LHS and then we have proved the RHS. Is that clear? It should be. Okay. Now, see the fourth question. If A comma B comma C are positive real numbers other than unity such that they are giving some condition for us. A into b plus c minus a divided by log a is equal to b into c plus a minus b divided by log b is equal to c into a plus b minus c divided by log c. This they have given. Now what we need to prove, sir? Prove that a power b into b power a is equal to b power c into c power b, that is equal to c power a into a power c. So this is what we need to prove. Now I am going to the next page to start the problem. Now see if at all the thing is given, we can solve in this way. A into b plus c, again it is a double equality. Whenever double equality comes, remember this, take it equal to some lambda. A into b plus c minus a by log a is equal to b into, sorry for using the ink, let me write it in a white color ink. Okay, a into b plus c minus a divided by log a is equal to b into c plus a minus b divided by log b, that is equal to c into a plus b minus c divided by log c. Let's take it equal to 1 by lambda. Sir, you asked us to take it as lambda. Now why are you taking 1 by lambda? Very simple actually. When we do cross multiplication, this lambda multiplies in a simpler way. That is the only reason. Now from this I can write log a is equal to lambda a into b plus c minus a, and log b is equal to lambda b into c plus a minus b, and log c will be equal to lambda c into a plus b minus c. Now let us do one thing. This is log a value, this is log b value. I am going to multiply b with log a. Then what's going to happen? Lambda ab into b plus c minus a. Similarly, I am going to multiply a with log b. A log b is equal to lambda ab into c plus a minus b. Add both of them. B log a plus a log b will be equal to, you can take lambda ab common, then bb cancel, a cancel, you will be getting 2c. So that's going to be 2 lambda abc. Sir, b log a plus a log b is nothing but log a power b into b power a, that is equal to 2 lambda abc. Do you understand how we are bringing from the question? We should really study the question properly, then we can do the solution in a high class way. Otherwise we will be doing a donkey work always. So now at least try to understand the remaining things also will come as it is, sir. What is that remaining things actually? Log b power c into c power b, also you will be getting 2 lambda abc. Similarly, if you do log c power a into a power c, also you will be getting 2 lambda abc. For this, sir, what you need to do? You need to add c log b plus b log c, then you will be getting that. Similarly, here you need to add a log c plus c log a. So these things, if at all you do it, you will get this. So now what we understood is log a power b into b power a is equal to log b power c into c power b is equal to log c power a into a power c. All of these are equal to value 2 lambda abc. So if log of 3 numbers are equal, then that 3 numbers are also equal. A power b power a is equal to b power c power b is equal to c power a power c. So hence proved. This is what they asked us in the question to do. So if you see carefully, this is the question. So finally they asked us to prove this. Now let's go for the 5th question today. I don't think so it is 5th question. Okay, there is a wrong numbering over here. This should be the 5th question. Yeah, something went wrong, and this should be the fourth question. This should be the third question, second, first. So students, for today's class we completed these 5 questions. Now students, if any of you have any personal doubts, I am giving a chance for you that please WhatsApp. Okay, as such I'll write my WhatsApp number over here. You can always post your doubts to my WhatsApp number, and you will get the reply for sure. I will personally talk to you. I will take a personal class to you if you want, and I will clarify your doubts. So teaching is not my job, students. Teaching is my passion. I am doing it so that I want to study each and every book page wise. So students, I want to say that if you ask the doubt 100%, I will try my best to clarify your doubts. Thank you very much.